Hey, I'm Tom. I'm usually sitting next to Matt, who's usually wearing the GoPro. But today we're switching it up a little bit. Matt wanted to take a break, and I wanted to try the GoPro. So if everything looks a little bit taller and a little bit weirder, it's because I'm about a foot taller than Matt and a way worse skater. So we'll see how today goes.
Hey, buddy. Hey, back door! Back door!
Cover him, cover him.
That's in. Oh. He's in the net. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, Jake. Way to go, Bal.
He came straight up again.
Yeah!
Good look. Perfect. Here we go. 2 on 1, 2 on 1. You got help. You got help.
Oh. Is that a goal? That's a goal. That's a goal. Woo. Way to go, James. That's a goal. That's a goal. Good job, Chris. Ah! Oh. Oh, shit. Cover that. Sorry, Cam, that's on me. Fuck. Take it, take it, take it. Drop. Great save, goalie. Great save. Way to go. 1. Great drop.
That was a nice drop.
I know.
That's the most selfless play I've ever seen in my life.
He only did it because I was wearing the GoPro. Any other day, he's not doing that drop pass.
No, I would have.
I heard Matt's soul sink when that drop pass happened.
I saw it behind me.
His soul went right into his shoes. No drop passes!
Yeah, but it worked. We got it on net, man.
Yeah.
Shake him back.
It was.
You know what I mean?
Hey, if you've had 3 goals this season, you shouldn't be shooting. Let's get the pucks in rotations. Let's work on some shit.
Stay calm too. If you get the puck, you have a second. So
And a drop pass every shot.
take your time. Yeah.
I mean,
Did you see that, Maddie?
I didn't even see you there, buddy.
Yeah, let's set up in their zone. Let's work on that.
Go shoot in the room.
Keep it up, goalie. Keep it up.
Game, guys.
You too. Hey! Oh, no, you're good. You're good. Good play. Let her have it. Yeah, good shit, Matt. Oh, come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle. Okay. There we go.
Fucking hockey putt. What a fucking hockey putt.
Way to go, Maddie. Thanks.
It doesn't become a shot. It makes them move. Gets them out of position.
Wow. I want Callie to get a goal so bad. Oh! Keep it going, Callie. Keep it going. No way. Drew, you almost got a goal off that. Shit.
when Andrew's like, yeah, we won on Friday, I almost said, hottest team in the league. You guys look okay, I guess, too.
Hey, look for a change when you can.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Oh, come on, goalie, come on. Help him out. Nice save, goalie. Nice. It's out.
It's fun, right?
What?
It's all fun, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's why we're here.
I'm glad you guys stopped scoring.
Yeah, that's true.
They obviously good. Well, this was us 2 years ago. You know what I mean?
It was us a couple weeks ago.
Every day. We know what it's like. We've been there. It's no fun. Oh yeah.
Skate it, skate it, skate it, skate it, skate it, skate it. Oh. Oh. Take your time, take your time. Skate, 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 you got time, skate. Skate. Yes. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Great play, great play. Hey! You shit. You little shit.
I had to try to catch you. I fucked up.
We've never had a more perfect 2-on-0.
I know. We're fucking killing it, man.
Way to go, Cam. Good game. Good game. Way to go, Chris. Good game. Good game. Good game, buddy. Great game, goalie. Great game.
It's goalie time.
Great game, buddy. Good game. Great game. Great game. Great game, buddy. Good game. Good game. Great play. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good play, buddy. No.
That move Woodling tried in that breakaway.
I can't fucking believe it. Perfect 2-on-0 and he's like, oh.
Lead is intact, I think.
I tried that board battle game one time, and then Matt yelled at me.
I didn't see any battle. I didn't see any skating, that's why I yelled.
Over. It was more like the board bus stop.
before I start getting undressed, this guy, I don't know, something about it, just it's like putting Goku in the hyperbolic chamber. He was out, came back, got a goal. Bummer. We got this. Get the shot. Okay, happy first. That's that.
That's somber one.
Now Artie, now shake. Yes. Yes.
Way to go. Good shit.
Thank you guys. Been a long time.
All right.